Okie, my living lions. Now that we have seen our video, reviewed our vocabulary words, we are ready to start our assignment in our journal. Here, our instructions say, watch this teacher video to create a T chart. Give me a letter T. T chart to explain living and non-living things. First, you need your pencil. Next, grab your crayons. And third, please get your journals. Let's open up to a new clean page ready for today's activity. We always begin with the date. Please give me a 3 for March, a 24 for today, and a 21 for the year. Now that we have the date, we're making a what letter chart? A B chart? Nope. T chart. Across the top of my page, I'll do my first line. Then going down the center, line number 2. To make a letter T, capital letter T. Do you have a T chart on your journal? Yes or no? If you don't, pause and create that T. On one side of the T, we'll add the label living. Repeat it and write it with me. Living. Here we go. O, I, b, 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 I, n, g. Living. Do you have your first label done in your journal? Living. Perfect. To the other side of our T, we're going to write non-living. What are we going to write? Here we go. N, aw, n, non, then the same word, living. Say it and write it with me. Li-b-ing. Check our labels in our journal. We have living, non-living, living, non-living, living, non-living, living, non-living, living, non-living. What are you, living or non-living? Me too. Now we have our labels. We have our dates. We are organized. What are we going to put on this paper? Let's look one more time at what does it mean to be living. Living means you require energy, you grow, you can produce offspring, and you die. Just like these lions. Do not draw the lions. You're going to come up with your own living idea. But first, we're going to explain. A living thing needs what? Food. What else? Water. What else? Space. You got it. And they can make babies. Here we go. On to our first line. We're going to write living things. Need, 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 space, food. Next line, and, space, water, water. Need food and water. What else did we learn about living things today? They make offspring. Say it one more time. Offspring. Nice job. Offspring. Make. Make. Off. Spring. Ing. Make offspring. And our last thing, and at the end of their lives, they do die. Like I have some dead plants at my house right now. Let's read what we got on our living side. Living things need food and water, make offspring. Don't draw that line. Save your space to show me something you like in the video. But come over to our non-living side. What do you see here? Rocks. Non-living is anything that is not living. Come over to our non-living side. We don't need to write need food, need water, because these things don't need that. All we're going to write on this side is not living. Check out those two words. Repeat them and write them with me. Not. Finger space. Living. And everybody with me on this side, we're going to draw a rock. We're going to draw what? A rock. If you like my sharp, jaggedy rock I have here, or if you like these round, smooth rocks, everybody show me a rock. And that kind of looks like a chocolate chip cookie, so I'm going to add a label for my teacher. What's that thing? Rock. Rock. Add some color to give it more details. And we already have one side done. A rock is non-living. It's not living. But you are going to show me a living thing. Don't copy the lions. I want to see what else you saw in the video that you like, that you want to draw, label, and color today. But we're going to watch it one more time, and you are looking. What is something alive? It needs food, it needs water, it makes offspring, and then it dies. When you see what you like, pause the video, start drawing your picture, add your color, and finally a label, like we added the word rock. You need anything living on this side from the video, not the lions. Here comes the video. Attendoscope's on. You're looking for something living to draw in your journal.
Living things have a lot.
I see some living things. If you want to draw those, pause the video and draw them on your living side. But there's more coming.
Needs, like plants that start out as little seeds.
He's living.
And change at their own pace. They need air, they need water, they need light, they need space. If something multiplies, then it's alive. Animals and babies sometimes even fight.
They're living. They have babies.
And plants making flowers and seeds that are sown.
Those are living.
Things have lots of needs, like plants that start out as little seeds.
You could draw that.
They grow and change at their own pace.
They grow.
They need air, they need water, they need light, they need space. How do you know if something's alive?
That's living.
Does it have babies that
It has babies.
air or shelter?
The dog is living.
Water can it have offspring like a son or a daughter? Living things have lots of needs, like plants that start out as little seeds. They grow and change at their own pace. They need air, they need water, they need light, they need space.
I hope you saw something in the video that you are going to add to your journal. Remember, you will have one living picture with color and a label. A non-living picture, we did it together, color and label. We added some definitions on each side to explain what something living needs and what something non-living is. If you have all these things, you took your time on the living side, then you're ready to take a picture and send it to your teacher on Google Classroom. Thank you, my living friends, for working with me today. I'll see you tomorrow to find more living and non-livings. Adios!